welcome back to my channel. So guys, today in this video I am going to be reviewing a very weird product again, and that is going to be a painless ouch-free pre-depilatory wipes. So what they are basically used for, some of you out there must be very sensitive to uprooting your hair. Like when I get hair growth on my legs, it pains a lot when I take it off with the help of wax. So these are the special wipes that you just need to wipe off your skin with this, and it is not gonna pain. At least this is what it says. I'm gonna be reviewing it for you guys quickly. So guys, without further ado, let's quickly dive into the video. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, just please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. I will be super grateful, and let's dive into the video. So guys, this is how the packaging looks like, and there are 16 wipes in this packaging, and you just need to take one out and apply it wherever you are going to wax. I am not having very high expectation from this product because it doesn't make sense to me, so I did what the instructions said. I applied it all over my legs and I left it for good 10 minutes. Massage it a little and your legs are gonna feel a little minty kind of sensation. It had oil, so I had to apply talcum powder so that it can absorb the traces of oil. And guys, in my underarms it is not gonna pain that much when I wax, but on my legs it takes my breath away every time I do it. So here I have heated the wax. I'm gonna apply it in the direction of hair growth, and already I could not feel, because the wax was hot, the sensation was not that much. So I thought that I'm gonna apply the strip and take it off. Yes, it has taken the hair off, not that effectively because of the presence of a little bit of oil there, but maybe you need to apply the same strip over and over again and remove your hair till the time it takes it off. But to my amazement, it did not pain at all, guys. I was really amazed, and I'm not lying at all here. Otherwise it pains a lot whenever I think of waxing my legs, but here it did not pain. This is a miraculous product, guys. Please go for it, because I am saying it. If you cannot tolerate that pain of waxing, please go for it. I'm telling you, you are not even gonna feel an inch of pain because of this. It is that amazing. I'm gonna leave the product link in the description box below, and buy it, use it, come back. Please comment down below how was your experience, because otherwise other people are not gonna be benefited with this. Please let me know. Use this thing, and it is really miraculous. It is not gonna pain at all. Make your skin super smooth and healthy looking, and it's a total thumbs up from my side. So guys, this was it for this video. I really hope that you find it helpful. If you did, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Please join the squad. The links are given in the description box below. Make sure that you hit the bell button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys super soon with another amazing video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.